Types of income. There are 4 types of income. 1. Earned income. Majority of people know and follow this one. In this type income, when you work you get money, if you don't work then no money, also called employee. Paid for your time. 2. Self-employed. They think they are business owner but they are not if she is doing by themselves. It's also like a job but their own. You get paid for your time. 3. Business. Business is that which do not need the owner presence, which she own them but they are managed and run by other people. For example, hotel, restaurant, gas station, factories. In business people make money for you. 4. Investor. This income is real passive income. You don't have to do anything at all and it will fill your pocket with dividend income, capital gain income, interest income and so on. Money makes you money.